Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today I want to show you the Cubase 14 install and open. It shows all audio input, but not recording only. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to the download file. I have given the download link below this description. Microphone Fix folder. There are 3 files in the folder. One is New Microphone Fix and the other is Old Microphone Fix. Mid Microphone Fix and Mid Microphone Fix for OS Big Sur, Monterey, Ventura, New Microphone Fix. Sonoma, Sequoia, OLD Microphone Fix for older OS Mojave, Catalina. Checking what OS we have on our PC, MACOS Monterey is there, so we select Mid and New Fix and run it. Now if you see it, it asks for a password. Now type the password to run and hit enter. Process completed. Now let's open Cubase 14, then add audio track select and record. Now watch as the audio is recorded successfully. Video helps you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see future video like this, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll get a notification anytime new content like this come out. And lastly, if you want to see me cover any other topics in the future, leave a comment down below and I'll add it to my list of video to create. Alright, well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you next time. Bye!